friends, it's Amanda here, and I am super excited for this ColourPop collaboration with Safiya Nygaard. I haven't been this excited by a collaboration in a while. I really love Safiya. She's one of my favorite YouTubers, somebody I can genuinely say, not only do I watch every single one of her videos, but I watch them beginning to end every time. She makes really cool, interesting content. You can tell it's thoughtful, it's well planned out, it's well researched, but it never feels forced or fake. She's not afraid to be silly and make fun of herself. Generally, I just like her style, I like her approach. I love that she brought that same thoughtfulness to her collaboration with ColourPop. Even though she's not a beauty YouTuber, she does all kinds of things. She does travel vlogs, but she doesn't just show you her going through her day. She does really intentional, cool takes on travel vlogging. She also does a lot of bad makeup science, and it's cool that these shades in her collaboration are based on those bad makeup science videos. She's generally had a lot of interest in makeup. Even though it's not what her channel revolves around, it does make sense for her to do a makeup collection, particularly a lipstick collection. She has released 6 luxe lipsticks in collaboration with ColourPop. These lipsticks are currently available. I think a few of the shades and the PR kit are already sold out. When it comes to YouTubers doing collaborations, I like to step back and just wait a little while, let their video be out there in the universe. Not like I'm stealing any views from Safiya, like every one of her videos is viral. But that's just the approach I like to take. So these lipsticks are currently available. A couple of the shades are sold out. The PR kit is sold out. I have a feeling they'll restock it at least once. I hope they do. If I get any info about restock dates, I'll add that down in the description box if I remember to. The luxe lipsticks are priced at $8 US a piece, or you can get all 6 shades in the PR kit for $46 US. Like I said, this is currently sold out, but hopefully it will come back. This is the packaging for the PR kit. It's got this little bat cutout. Safiya always says that her style is kind of influenced by bats. She does have a bit of a gothic edge to her style. So this slides out and then we see this multicolor swirl pattern behind. All the lipsticks sit nice and safely in here. And then on the back we just have all the shades listed with the little color coordinating labels. If you buy the shades individually, you'll get this packaging. I love this colorful swirl packaging. I'm glad that they didn't do just like a plain black box. This is really pretty, really cool packaging. Love it, love it. Then the packaging on the lipstick itself is custom too, so it's the same size, shape, weight as the typical luxe lipsticks, but it's all custom. It is still the metal outer casing. Then we do have the shade labeled on the bottom with a little color coordinating sticker. When you take the lid off, first of all, the bands are all color coordinated as well as the inside of the caps. That's such a cool little detail. And then when you twist up, again, instead of the stars, there's a little bat imprint on the bullet. This is so cute. I love this packaging. Of these 6 shades, 4 of them are the cream luxe lipsticks. That is my favorite formula, my favorite all-time lip formula from ColourPop. So I'm glad to see so many cream shades. Bikini Bottom, Mrs. Norris, Bury Me in Lipsticks, and Fred are all creams. And then the 2 deepest shades, Screamer and Brucey, those are both matte luxe lipsticks. Let's get into the lip swatches now. I am gonna swatch all 6 shades on my lips. Afterwards, I'll show you all 6 shades swatched side by side on my arm just so that you can compare them. But let's get into the lip swatches now. I don't feel like I have too much to wrap up here. I think it's pretty clear. I really like Safiya and I really like the ColourPop Luxe lipsticks. So this is a match made in heaven. I think they did a great job selecting the shades, doing the packaging, all the design, the whole feeling is just so true to Safiya. It really brings something different to ColourPop. It's fun to see them collaborating with somebody different and somebody who's not really in the beauty space but still relevant to the beauty space. This is a cool collection. I really just, as a whole, really like it. If I had to pick one single favorite, it's pretty clear to me my favorite is this shade called Bury Me in Lipsticks. I just think this is so perfect. It's going to be really universally flattering. It's going to look good on a lot of skin tones. It's going to look good with a lot of different makeup looks. So if I had to pick just one, I would definitely go with that one. The two more nudie shades are a little bit more cool toned or like greigey than I typically go for, but I actually liked them more than I thought I would. And I kind of wish that the red shade was a matte instead of a cream finish, just because I tend to like a more stay put kind of formula when I am wearing a red. But I also really like the shade Fred. I think it's gonna look great on so many people. Again, a very universally flattering type of color. If you haven't heard of Safiya or you haven't ever been on the YouTube trending page, so you don't know who she is, I highly recommend her videos. They're really fun to watch. They're usually a little bit longer. They have really great production value. If you're looking for somebody new to watch on YouTube and you've never watched Safiya, highly recommend. And definitely go and watch her video about the launch. In true Safiya style, she didn't just do a reveal. She went all out, so I'm gonna link that video down in the description. Definitely check it out. It's well worth the watch. It's a really cool video. Now's the time when I want to hear what you think about these lipsticks. Are you a Safiya Nygaard fan? Has this caught your eye? Are you feeling the spooky October vibes? Leave a comment, let me know what you think. As always, thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye! You can compare, That was a lot more opaque on first swipe than I thought that this deep of a shade would be. Vampy. Try not to get this all over my face while I wipe it off. It's like 50-50. We'll see what happens. Not necessarily my kind of shade, but it is pretty fun. I mean, I'm sure this would look really sick on a lot of people. I don't hate it. I mean, I don't want to like wear it around to the grocery store or anything, but I think it's cool. I'm gonna wear that to school, pick up my kid from school wearing Brucey and see what happens. I get a fair amount of comments on my makeup at my son's school. Just surprised to see me wearing makeup because like in the morning I look like hot garbage, and then in the afternoon I look the same but just with eyeshadow. I'm just kidding, mostly. Struggle is real. You know, I just got an idea. It might be a terrible idea, but I think in honor of Safiya's collaboration, we're gonna do some bad makeup science. Come for the lip swatches, stay for the bloopers. Probably not. Probably that's actually not a thing. I thought I would do a little bad makeup science of my own. I have a little bit of her 6 lipsticks just swatched onto this. Oh, this is very satisfying. Oh yeah. We're gonna mix them all together and see what happens. I don't know if it's gonna work or not. Alright, that's the color that it made. It actually looks really awesome. Let's put this on my lips and see what happens. This is it. This is the end result. The Franken lipstick inception has now reached its peak. These are all of the bad makeup science inspired lip shades mixed together and applied to my lips. I actually love this color. It looks really cool, right? Huh? That didn't make sense. How? Okay. How much is it? 46? Should I know these things before I make a video? Yeah, I should. Maybe I'm also biased towards her because her fiance is named Tyler and my husband is named Tyler. So, you know, we're basically friends now. Okay. Bye.